InterFaith Women of Uganda, we urge the government to relax some of these conditions to ensure more women can benefit from the GROW project loans. In some cases, we call for affirmative action to allow a more inclusive access to these funds. As women from diverse religious backgrounds, we are organized and ready to mobilize women at the grassroots level through our various associations to access these funds effectively. Our second concern is the high cost of education and health care. Many single mothers and even married women are struggling to keep their children in school due to the exorbitant fees charged. Access to quality education has become increasingly costly, making it unattainable for many women. Similarly, healthcare is becoming more expensive, leaving ordinary women, many of whom live hand to mouth, unable to afford proper medical services. The poor state of public health facilities further limits access to quality health care. For instance, a woman running a market stall often finds it difficult to afford specialized medical treatment. We call for a structured dialogue on reducing the cost of education and health care to ensure that all women and their families can access these essential services. Our concern number 3 is on land grabbing. Wherever land grabbing occurs, women and children are most affected. Displacement and dispossession strip them of land, a crucial factor of production, leaving many vulnerable and without the means of livelihood. Although land laws exist to protect occupants, they are often ignored or poorly enforced. We urge the government to strengthen the implementation of these laws in a fair and just manner. Those responsible for land grabbing must be held accountable to ensure justice and protect vulnerable communities. Our concern number 4 is the inheritance law. Widowed women are particularly vulnerable.
Motto, our theme this year is accelerating action towards gender equality. We've definitely come a long way. It has been a long way, long struggle, and that dates back to over 100 years ago when civic strife and was going on in USA and in European countries, many European countries. That was way back before the First World War. Women started coming up, raising voices because they were feeling it right from their homes, their communities, and and even in their societies. They were not equally participating. They were not given an equal footing regarding decision making, regarding employment, regarding